So, the best contribution to the keto community has always been the mug cake. Seriously, changed my mind. For this, you'll need one large egg, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that up really, really good. Then add in 2 tablespoons keto chow, 2 tablespoons allulose, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Mix that up really, really good. I mean, really mix it up until it looks like cake batter. Otherwise, you're going to come into the comments and say, why did my mug cake come out tasting like eggs? It's because you didn't mix it enough. For the frosting, you'll need 1 tablespoon of melted butter, heavy cream, keto chow, allulose, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder, and a couple drops of vanilla extract for flavor. Mix that up really good as well until it starts looking like a frosting. Spread that frosting on top of the mug cake that we microwave for 60 seconds. And please don't judge me for not wiping it out. I was in a hurry. Add in some sugar-free chocolate chips because why not? And look at that beauty. So, so good. 60 seconds, super easy. Yum.